Welcome to our new video. In this video, I will tell you about RM new Weverse update. He updated a long status saying how are you all doing. Long writing is getting more and more difficult, but if I don't write it forever, I think I will forget how to write it. I still don't know how much and how to convey these and other thoughts that are floating around. But I does not change as much as I just want everyone who I love who loves us to be at peace for as long as possible. I too have been searching for stability and peace for so long, but I can't shake the thought that people or maybe even me always want some kind of drama. It's like a strange disease that makes you feel anxious after a little bit of stability. 17, it's been a long time since I came to Seoul, but sometimes when I look back while walking, I get a strange feeling that nothing has changed. After all, I am still only 28 years old and it seems like it will take countless years to become as strong as I hoped. Actually, I started writing again a while ago, but today I don't want to grab a pen, so I am writing it down here. Like the previous cafe post, why do my posts always look the same, both at the beginning and the conclusion? I miss you a lot and think about it often. Winter, which has come and frightened me, is now running away and it is a good season to walk. After a while, when the wind warms up, we will meet at that place. As always, I will make music and meditate on my body and mind every day, just writing hee I miss you. BTS RM held a live broadcast for his 28th birthday back in September. During it, he got vulnerable with ARMY and revealed how he was really doing right now. Most people, especially celebrities, simply answered they are doing fine or good when their fans ask how are you. Yet RM spoke honestly as he opened up sharing his personal feelings about fighting depression. I was saying that every day is a fight. Basically, not to lose in front of the depression and getting exhausted giving up. He described how his routine has become monotonous these days as he has been doing the same thing now for nearly 2 years. Still, he attempted to do things for both his mental and physical health. So every day I wake up, clean my room, watering plants and exercise. It's been like 2 years and every day is a fight. Despite everything, he continues to preserve through all of the struggles with ARMY as motivation. He recognizes all of the love he gets and he hopes to return it. I have to pay back for all the love that I am getting right now, like you guys saying, telling me happy birthday every time, even more than myself. RM has been doing all he knows to do to get through these difficult and uncertain times since COVID-19. Still, some days feel worse than others and his words resonate with a lot of us right now. So yeah, every day I think is a war to me and I really hate that, but that's the only thing I can do right now. And yeah, it's just living just life. While many of us missing seeing BTS especially in person, the feeling is certainly mutual. Like most of us, he is still holding out hope to one day be with ARMY again. And I could feel how much you guys miss you and we feel the same. So after this sick and tiring war passes by, after that we will be getting back to the track of where we were. That's my hope. That's all I got right now, I think, so I just do what I can do still for 2 years. He concluded by saying that he was not bad and not good at the same time. Just alive, this is a feeling of all of us can relate to. We must continue to take care of ourselves even when we don't feel like it, as BTS always emphasizes love yourself. I think we all can relate to RM. We all are suffering from this pandemic mentally and physically, but we still believe whether we are alive or dead, life goes on. Thank you so very much for watching this video.